Here we are touring a tower studio in the Riviera Resort in September 2022. These rooms sleep only 2 people, though it does have a decent sized bathroom with a walk-in shower. Within the bathroom, you also have a closet. The walk-in shower is very large with a step or stool to sit on. There's the safe in the closet. Out in the main room, you have this seating area. That sofa turns into a sofa bed. A lot of these tower studios have a view to Spaceship Earth over at Epcot. They also have a small balcony. You still have access to all the Riviera amenities, such as the Skyliner, which is walking distance. There aren't many rooms of this type, so if you do want to book them, you do have to be quite quick. If you're booking with your DVC points, a lot of the time you have to book 11 months in advance if this is your home resort, or dead on the 7 months if it's not your home resort. The room also has a coffee machine and a microwave. And here is the bed pulled down. This is the Murphy style bed, which you can pull down in the evening and put up during the day if you want to use the sofa. A lot of the times, if we were to use this one, we would probably keep the bed down all the time. Now tell us, would you stay in a room like this? Let us know in the comments.